Today we will be doing formal integration by substitution with Alex Cleary and Evan Gibbon. Integration. In calculus, integration by substitution is a method for finding integrals. Using the fundamental theorem of calculus often requires finding an antiderivative. For this and other reasons, integration by substitution is an important tool for mathematicians. It is the counterpart to the chain rule of differentiation. The formula above is used to transform one integral into another integral that is easier to compute. Thus, the formula can be used from left to right or right to left in order to simplify a given integral. When used in the latter manner, it is sometimes known as U substitution. Let's run through a sample problem. Our sample problem will be x times the square root of x minus 1 dx. First, we should identify our u, which in this case is x minus 1. And therefore u prime is just 1. Next we find x, which is u plus 1. Then we take the derivative of our x to get dx, which in this case is just du. Now we can substitute our u's in for our x's, plugging in a u plus 1 wherever there was an x in the original problem. This makes our problem now the integral of u plus 1 times u to the 1/2 du. Now I distribute the u to the 1/2 to everything in the parentheses and get the integral of u to the 3/2 plus u to the 1/2. Now we can use just basic integration rules and add 1 to the exponent and put it over the new exponent, making our next step u to the 5/2 over 5/2 plus u to the 3/2 over 3/2, and then we tack on a c. Next we simplify that and we can make it 2/5 u to the 5/2 plus 2/3 u to the 3/2, keeping the c in. The next step is to GCF out our greatest common factors, which in this case is 2 over 15 times u to the 3/2, leaving the leftovers in the parentheses, making it 2/15 u to the 3/2 times parentheses 3u plus 5 parentheses plus c. Our final step is to substitute back in our x's for our u's. And since we used x plus 1 as our x, we plug that in everywhere there was a u, making our final answer 2/15 times x minus 1 to the 3/2 times 3x minus 2 plus c.